Hey cupcakes, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be starting my lace frontal wig series, and today episode will be how to bleach knots on lace frontal. As you can see right here, I have all the products that you will need to bleach the knots on your lace frontal. You will need your developer. I'm using the Clear Professional Pure White 40 developer. Next, you'll need some BW2 extra strength powder lightener. Next, you'll need your mixing bowl and your brush, and then you'll need some aluminum foil. You get this aluminum foil at your food store. You don't need the fancy aluminum foil that sells at the beauty supply store. Last but not least, you'll need your frontal, and this is a 14-inch lace frontal. I can't really tell you where this hair came from, but I purchased this from my sister Brittany on her closet sale, which was 3 bundles and a 14-inch lace frontal, which cost me $90. I'll leave the video link right up here so that you can watch that video to see what all I purchased from her closet sale. I'm going to get my bowl and mix this powder developer. Let's start with 1 pack. So you can start with a little bit at a time so we can get that thick consistency, not watery. Adding a little bit more. If you can't handle the scent of the powder and the developer mixed together, because it is an extremely strong scent, please use a mask on your face so that it can protect you from all the fumes coming out of this concoction. So look what I'm doing. I'm not pressing into the lace. I'm just gliding. Now I'm going to use my foil again and apply it on top. And I'm going to let this sit for 15 minutes. Now I'm about to remove this foil and wash the bleach off of the lace frontal, and I will be using the V05 Strawberry and Cream Moisturizing Shampoo. It softens and shine, and I'll be using warm water. So cupcakes, I am done washing off the bleach off my frontal, and as you can see right here, the knots are perfectly bleached. So this is awesome. So cupcakes, stay tuned for episode 2 in my lace frontal wig series, where I'll be showing y'all how to dye hair black using watercolor method